So, on continuing with our packet from yesterday, number 4 says use the triangle shown on the coordinate grid below to complete parts A through E. And here again, I have triangle ABC, correct? Correct? Alright. Part A, it says, what is the center of rotation? So we're gonna have to we need to put our finger so we can spin this paper around somewhere. Where do I wanna put my finger? On the origin. So I'm gonna put it on the origin. And so the center of rotation is the origin, point 0, 0. Make sure you put that in parentheses. Put this down for problem A. Problem A, what is the center of rotation? The origin, and then parentheses, 0, 0 in parentheses. Because right here is my center of rotation. This is where I'm going to put my finger and spin this triangle around. On part B, it says, what is the direction of the rotation? And which way does it say for me to rotate this? Counterclockwise. So now you're going to, on your paper, instead of going clockwise, like the hands on a clock, now you're going to go this way. So draw your little arc and label it counter clockwise. So that's part B, and then part C says, what is the angle of rotation that rotates the pre-image to its image? So you guys need to figure out, if I rotate B, what's the image of B called?
J.
Which one is it?
J.
Look at part D.
Oh, image should be,
Oh,
J. Right? J? I mean, you
J.
said B?
So the image of B is J.
Yeah.
So as I rotate this counterclockwise, that's a quarter turn, that's a half a turn, this is a 3/4 turn. How many degrees did I have to rotate that? 270. Now you guys actually saw me do it, correct? But you guys need to figure out how to do that without the invisible paper. So if I take and draw, here's my center of rotation, and if I go from point B to the center of rotation, and then from the center of rotation to its image, it makes that angle, correct? Look here. You have to know which way you're turning it, because if you just draw this angle, you need to make sure that you know that you want this angle, this reflex angle, instead of this acute angle. This would be a 90-degree clockwise turn, but if you're going counterclockwise, you need that 270-degree reflex angle. Are we okay with that? Okay. Some of you, when I asked you what the image of B was, some of you had a lot of issues with that. Everybody look at problem D. It says triangle ABC was rotated about the origin. That's where I put my finger, right? How many degrees? 270 degrees. Which direction? Counter clockwise. To form triangle HJK. Put your pencils down. To find out what image or which point is the image, A is listed first. Well, I'm gonna just cheat. What is the image name? HJK. B and J are both in the middle, correct? So that means the image of B is J. Apparently some of you forgot that. Now, are triangles ABC and triangle HJK similar or congruent? Good. Let's stop the video. Get everything written down.